Hi guys, this is Lucas from Lucas Bro. Last time I pulled out this giant surprise Play-Doh Star Wars egg from my giant surprise Star Wars box. Now it's time to open it. Wow! Look all of this! We got surprise eggs, some play sets, and blind bags. I'll open the legs last. Oh, there's even capsules. That's cool. But first, let's open my play sets. First play set is this play set. Look at these cute tiny models of galactic battleships. They have nice details, and they're made by HASBRO, and they're Star Wars MicroMachines. We got Jakku Land Speeder, First Order Transporter, Ray Speeder. So here comes my first Star Wars MicroMachines, and now let's check the others. And inside there's going to be a Resistance X-Wing, KYLO Ren's Command Shuttle, and a Lugga Beast. So let's get my Star Wars Macro Machines out. They look pretty cool. So here's my X-Wing, my Beast, and KYLO Ren's Command Shuttle. Now let's see what other playsets and battleships are in this surprise Star Wars egg. Ooh, another Micro Machine. And it's the Millennium Falcon and 2 TIE Fighters. Now let's get my Micro Machine battleships out. Here comes my destroyed TIE Fighter, my OK TIE Fighter, and my Millennium Falcon. And here's the last Micro Machine play set. And inside I got Poe Dameron X-Wing, the Star Destroyer, and a repaired TIE Fighter. So here comes my third TIE Fighter, Poe's X-Wing, and the Star Destroyer. And now let's check some blind bags. So this is Star Wars Micro Machines, and inside will also be a battleship. So let's see if we could get the same one or a different one. And here's my ship. Ooh, looks cool. And it's a different one. Yay! So here comes my Phantom battleship. And now let's get the second blind bag. What's the type of Star Wars battleship gonna be inside? And it is another TIE Fighter. But it's different. This one is gray and the others are black. Cool, looks like I have more battleships for my dark side. And there's one more Star Wars Micro Machine. Is there gonna be a dark side battleship or a good side? I'm not sure, but it looks pretty cool. Looks like the Y-Wing. Yeah, it's the Y-Wing. Cool. Here flies my Y-Wing next to my X-Wing. And now let's get another blind bag. Let's take the danglers. Inside will be one Star Wars dangler. And on the back it shows you all the danglers you can collect. It looks like you can collect 10 of them. And I want the Stormtrooper. And these characters are from the old movie. But it says they're from the new movie. That's strange. Well, anyway, let's cut the bag open. So I got C-3PO. I'm gonna wear it on my finger. Hello, I'm C-3PO. Beep beep. And there's one more Star Wars dangler blind bag. So hopefully we'll get a different Star Wars dangler. And it is, yay! Yay! We got the Stormtrooper! Just what I wanted. Alright, let's put it on my second thumb. Hey, buddy. Come on, let's fight. Ah! So here's my Stormtrooper and a C-3PO. And now let's get the last blind bag. And inside I got Star Wars dog tags. And this time it looks like you can get characters from the new movie. And inside you'll get one Star Wars dog tag. So let's see what dog tag we'll get. And we got a Stormtrooper. And it's a flame first order Stormtrooper. Now let's check the collector's guide. So here are all dog tags that you can collect. And here is my first order flame trooper dog tag. Now let's get my dog tag out of this plastic bag. And here it is. And on the back it says Star Wars The Force Awakens. Now let me wear my dog tag. And all that's left in this surprise Star Wars egg are capsules and surprise eggs. But let my sister open them. So the first egg's gonna be the yellow one. Here you go, baby sister. What's gonna be in this egg? Ooh! We got a figures! Looks like we got TIE Fighter pilots. Next egg is gonna be the green. What's gonna be in this egg? And we got 2 Stormtroopers in standing position. And the next egg is the red one. And we got 2 Royal Guards. Awesome. Now we have a red capsule. Ooh. And we got some more Stormtroopers in the healing position. And there's only one more egg left. And it's the purple one. And ooh, we got the Emperor Palpatine. Awesome! We got cool figures. Did you like opening these Star Wars figures? Oh. Which figure is your favorite, Vivi? Is it this? Is it this? Yay! She likes the Stormtrooper. Yay! So here are all my Star Wars battleships and Star Wars figures I got from my big giant surprise Star Wars egg. And now I'm gonna show you some cool Star Wars toys. And the first one is another Star Wars Micro Machines playset. This is an R2-D2 playset, and it comes with one Chewbacca figure and a snow speeder. And if you open it, you will have a playset you can use for your galactic battle. So let's open it and have a closer look. So here are the micro figures and the R2-D2 playset. This is cool, but how do we open this thing? Oh, now I know. We use the instructions. So flip the button, pull it, and open the R2-D2. Okay, got it. Let's open it. Wow. Okay, this is how it looks like. Wow, look at this, a battlefield. Now let's just attach the snow speeder over here. So So our snow speeder is on. All you have to do is spin the wheel like this, and the snow speeder will fly. Now let's add Chewbacca and this beast. Now let's play. Oh no! The snow speeder is attacking Chewbacca! And the beast is using this ram. Oh, he cannot fit. That's good. Now Chewbacca can shoot the beast with his arrows. Now he has to fight this snow speeder. Oh, he trips and falls into the hole. He needs backup. Don't worry, the Millennium Falcon is here. Yay! And they just knocked down the snow speeder and fell to the ground. Yay! They won the battle. Shoom! This is actually a very cool playset where you can use your imagination and play Star Wars. You can also get a First Order Stormtrooper head and a Star Destroyer. And I have a feeling that there's also a Millennium Falcon too. Okay, now I'm going to show you another very cool Star Wars toy. And it is Star Wars chess. This is not just only chess, this is Star Wars chess that comes with your iconic Star Wars characters. Let's open the box. It looks very exciting. Wow, that's so great. You don't have just Rooks, you have R2-D2 and BB-8. And the king is Luke Skywalker. Same thing, the queen is Rey, the bishop is Princess Leia, Finn is a bishop as well, Chewbacca is a knight, Han Solo is a knight, and the clone troopers are the pawns. Awesome! And look at all these dark side figures. So spooky! Oh my gosh! General Grievous is a rook. Jango Fett is a knight. General Hux is a bishop. KYLO Ren is a queen. Darth Vader is the king. Captain Phasma is a bishop. Boba Fett is a knight. And Darth Maul is a rook. And last, the pawns are the First Order Stormtroopers. And the best part is, if you don't play chess, you can just play with the figures, like this. So here are all my Star Wars figures and Star Wars battleships I got today. And I got lots of Star Wars figures and lots of Star Wars battleships. And that makes me do some battle with them. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time when I open some other cool surprises with Star Wars and eggs. Until then, bye! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.